couple of things that we do during Halloween. We have some pretty robust campaigns that are running across all channels. So we have paid social that's running. We have organic social that's posting as well at a higher frequency than normal. On the email channel, we have weekly campaigns that are going out to contacts that are usually focused around different Halloween costumes or themes. And it always has a DIY approach, a do-it-yourself, right? Because you can generate any costume in our stores, honestly. We have all the products you need in order to create Mickey Mouse all the way over to Woody, right? And we have a pretty robust purchase, or I guess a buy of Halloween merchandise, specifically around accessories. So masks, makeup, wigs. We have a ton of those this year. We don't have as many, full costumes that we had in the past. Granted, we have deep stock, so we have plenty still to put on our floor. But we are really trying to get like the do-it-yourself DIY focus, where you can create a unique, one-of-a-kind costume. And during that time, we also have SMS campaigns as well that are going to be supporting contacts with pushes. If they're near our stores, you might see a Halloween push notification. But we also are on other non-traditional channels as well, such as Waze. Waze has been a channel that we've been exploring over this past year for all the Super Savers Club, which is our loyalty program marketing. And we've been able to identify contacts that travel within our stores and be able to put push notifications in front of them, or get a full-scale bleed ad within the Waze app as people are driving by our stores. And we have also explored putting in unique coupon offers in those Waze ads as well that can be essentially captured and then saved into a mobile wallet and then redeemed in our stores in order to truly track what that conversion is versus what they see versus coming into a store and transacting, because we can always look at the traffic overall.